Riverside Marine and Cycle, Miles City, Montana. We've got a 2021 Polaris Ranger 1000 EPS. This is the single overhead cam. Has the full hard cab. I'm going to say the front tire is around 30% tread. Glass fixed windshield with wiper washer kit. Crank down window doors. Rear tires around, I'd say closer to 10-20%. Has a tilt-assist dump box. Has the glass rear window. Heater. This machine's got 1,263 engine hours. 9,937 miles. I'm going to take another video of this getting started up, drove around. If you've got any questions, call us at 406-232-3300.